Hey guys, Abhinav Sabharwal, and I'm trainer for business analyst, RPA, and Agile. And I have been in this industry for last 14 years. I have worked in companies like Capgemini and Ingram Micro, and lot of startups. And during my time, I have learned some secrets for growth and high earnings that are not really known to many people. And today, with this video, I want to share that knowledge with you. But first, let me ask my viewers some very important questions. Do you feel you are not earning enough? Do you have to think twice before buying anything fancy or going out to good restaurants or to take that holiday you always wanted to go? Are you a fresher who is looking for a job but is not finding anything worthwhile? Has it been some time after your college has ended but you have not landed a job? Are you a woman who has taken a career break to raise a family and is now finding it difficult to get a job? Are you from non-IT background and want to switch careers into IT industry, but you don't know how? Are you currently unemployed but would like to work in IT industry? Do you want to know the secret of making big money in IT industry? Would you like to work in an IT industry but don't want to work as a coder or tester or developer? Do you aspire to earn big bucks? Are you feeling underappreciated or underpaid in your current job? Well, if the answer to any of the above questions is yes, then do watch this video further to know how you can also be making big money in IT industry. And do watch this video till the end and you will also get a free giveaway. I have great news for you. The secret to making big money in IT industry is to have specialized job roles. Now there are loads of developers and testers and whatnot in IT industry. But in these jobs, salary doesn't rise very much. Or if it rises, it takes a long time. And this is simply because demand is less and supply is more. So which jobs do pay highest in the industry? Let's find out. Guys, here is the big secret. Some jobs are better than the others. And there are some jobs that pay higher than the others. And in our industry, the highest paying jobs are the business analyst, RP business analyst, RP developer, and agile BAs or product owners. And we at School of RPA have courses on each of these jobs for you. Unlike other certification courses that are lengthy and mostly useless in real world, I have designed these courses in such a way that after finishing my course, you would be able to get a job and start performing from day one. It is this thing that will differentiate you in the industry. Now, let me explain each of these courses and exactly what it is aimed for, along with the salary range for each of the jobs. Or business analyst course. This course is aimed at fresher who wants to get into IT industry but don't want to get into coding, development, or testing kind of roles. So if you have maybe completed your MBA and you want to get into management kind of position, this course is for you. The duration of this course is 15 hours and it can be completed in about 2 to 3 weeks. It is an instructor-led course, and after completing this course, you can expect a starting CTC of 5 to 6 lakhs. Companies like Tata Digital, Cognizant, Accenture are basically looking for BAs. BAs are in huge demand in industry. Then we have RPA Business Analyst. Now this course is aimed at experienced BAs who want to pivot their career into RPA field. Guys, the reason I have used this word pivot is RPA BA is a totally different field from your normal BA, and it's a very high paying field also. Now, duration of this course is 15 hours and it can be completed in about 2 to 3 weeks. It is an instructor-led course, and after completing this course, you can expect a starting CTC of 7 to 10 lakhs. So if you are a BA and you are stuck at some level, maybe you are not able to get above 5 to 6 lakh CTC, just try searching for different jobs. You are not getting some good package, and if you like to go for that 10 lakh CTC, this course will definitely help you. Third course in our library is RP developer. This is this course is applicable for both freshers and experienced developers. But please note, if you wish to pursue this course, then you should have a basic understanding of software programming. And the duration of this course is 40 hours and it can be completed in about 1 to 2 months. It is an instructor-led course, and after completing this course, you can expect a CTC in range of 5 to 15 lakhs, depending upon your current experience level. Fourth course that we offer is Agile Business Analyst or Product Owner course. Now, this course is aimed at experienced PAs, and by experienced PAs, I mean BAs who have at least 7 to 8 years of experience and who want to get into next level about business analysis. So you are already a business analyst, you are already quite senior, 7 to 8 years of experience, and you are asking yourself this question: what next? What is the next thing I can do? Well, guys, the product owner course is aimed for guys just like you, and this course is a 15 hours duration course and it can be completed in about 2 to 3 weeks. It is an instructor-led course, and after completing this course, you can expect a starting CTC of 10 to 20 lakhs, more like 20 lakhs. Now, if you are still with us till this point in the video, then definitely I think you are interested. Now you must be asking, okay, all this is fine, but why do course from School of RPA? Why not from some other content provider? Well, let me tell you, our project-based teaching approach means you get to experience how things work in real life. So there are no surprises when you join a job. You already know what to expect and are ready to perform from day one. Also help you in resume preparation and interview preparation, and this benefit is applicable for all our courses. And third, all our courses are done online and are instructor led, unlike some other courses where you just watch video and do some lame exercises. Here you get to learn from the experience of the instructor. After each session, recording of that session is sent to you via email, and best of all, you can do these courses at your own pace as we offer flexible timings to suit your schedule. So if you are a working professional, you can do this course in off hours like 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., or early mornings, or even weekends. And you can dynamically change your schedule also. Thank you for watching this video till the end. And if you think you are interested in knowing more about our courses, then call me on 900-480-9189 or write to me on schoolofrp@gmail.com. We are happy to give you a no-cost demo lecture and answer all your queries in the demo lecture. You can also ask a question to me or let us know your views by putting comments in comment section below. Oh, by the way, you can get a free ebook on RPA if you fill out this little form. The link is in comment section below. Do click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Do watch other videos on my channel related to concepts of business analysis, RP or Agile, as we come up with the interesting videos on weekly basis. Thank you. Have a nice day and goodbye. Stay safe.